Hi, Griffin. Thank you so much for completing your student survey. I was so excited to read about some of your interests. It really helped me make some goals for you for this writing workshop. Um, so some things I guess that I'd like to comment on is that is amazing that you have been playing the piano for so long. I have always wished I could play the piano, but I never quite got the gist of it. So I played the flute throughout school and throughout part of college, and I played the saxophone, the oboe, and the piccolo as well. So that's fun. That's something we have in common. And that's so cool that you want to join the Air Force for the tech division. I thought about joining the Navy as well for aviation rescue swimming, but unfortunately I was not able to due to some health issues and my eyesight. So it says that you enjoy reading fiction novels. What kind of fiction novels do you enjoy reading? That's just a very vague response. Like, do you enjoy historical fiction? Do you enjoy like comic books? Do you enjoy anime style books? Do you enjoy action books? Those are all examples of fiction novels. So just feel free to let me know what kind of fiction novels you like. Because if you go down here to where I commented, if you just click on reply, you can type your answer and hit reply, and then I can see your response and answer back. So that's cool. It's a form of communication for us. And let's see, so you don't enjoy writing reports, study papers. So that's common. Students often think that reports are boring, but if it's on a topic that interests you, it's really two-sided. So if you research, for example, I know you said you liked video games. So if you research a video game that you like and how it was created and what goes into the mechanics behind it and everything, and even all of the images, you're learning from it yourself, but you're also getting that report done. So it benefits you both ways as far as getting assignments done for school that you might not enjoy and learning about something that you do enjoy. So that's just something to keep in mind as we go through the workshop, just because we will get to informative papers in the future. And so let's just talk about your goals for a second. So you want to write more fluently. So I think that a good goal for you would be to learn how to. In order to help you write more fluently, I think something that we will work on is your narrative technique. So if you focus on adding dialogue, if you really plan and think about what your plot line is going to be, who your characters are going to be, that will help you to write more fluently. And then to help you convey what you want to express, we will work on using like descriptions of our characters. We'll work on specifically adding events and lessons that you have learned to your story, as well as sensory language. So when you incorporate the five senses into your writing through visualizing, you're showing your reader what is happening rather than telling them what is happening. So that will help you express what you want to say a lot better. And some things that I noticed is that, let's see, so you want to work on your writing skill set, which we talked about. So we'll be doing poetry and informational writing, so you'll definitely have that goal solved right away. So I guess just to wrap it up, I see that you want to travel to Japan. Why do you want to travel to Japan? I think that's a very unique place to go. Most people have the goals of going to somewhere in Europe rather than a country that's part of Asia. So I would be interested to see why you want to go to Japan, if there's any connection to that, if it's related to your desire to join the Air Force. Just let me know. And once again, thank you so much for completing the student survey and taking the time out of your day. And I cannot wait to read your narrative that you turn in this week.